Welcome to 1 Minute with Juanpa, here sharing with you a beautiful sunset in this amazing place in Bali, and just wanting to remind you to forgive whatever you are holding in your heart. Forgive whoever you need to forgive right now. There's a beautiful therapy I love to use all the time. That's the Oponopono. It's amazing. And you just repeat, I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. And you visualize the person and you send them love and you let go of any guilt and, oh, I'm the one that has to say sorry, or he's the one or she's the one. It doesn't matter. Let go. Stop carrying that weight in your shoulders and live freely. Yes, I love you. Have a good one.